Hello friends. I am Lee Vue. I am an Oriental medicine doctor. I know about medicinal plants. On this channel I will share with you about medicinal plants and how to use them to protect your health. Please see. Self-protection is essential and very important to humans. Today I continue to share about medicinal plants health protection. Today's theme is the rough cocklebur tree. Rough cocklebur is effective in treating sinusitis, kidney stones, osteoarthritis and especially for goiter. However, the awareness of the people about the use of rough cocklebur trees is limited, although it has many remarkable effects. Let's find out how to use the rough cocklebur tree to protect your health. Rough cocklebur tree. The rough cocklebur tree is also known as the atrial bone and typhoid, belonging to the Asteraceae family. The scientific name is Xanthium strumarium L. There are many uses for human health. Characteristics of the rough cocklebur tree. Cocklebur rough is an herbaceous plant. It is only about 50 to 80 cm high. The cylinder body is green and hairy. Leaves will grow triangular. Leaf margins have irregular teeth, short hairs on both sides of the leaf. Long petioles with main veins 3. Flowers grow in clusters growing at the tip of the branches, or in the middle of leaves, light green. On one tree there are 2 types of flowers. The flowers above are male, tubular, with 5 lobes and no colored hair. The remaining flowers are female. The fruit is ovoid with 2 pointed horns on the head and surrounded with hook spines. Distribution and harvest. Rough cocklebur trees are distributed throughout the world. It concentrates mainly on wasteland. Parts used as drugs. Fruit and stem. Rough cocklebur trees are usually harvested in the fall around May to September when the fruit matures. After harvesting, people often wash to remove dirt and impurities, cut off petioles. Then it will be dried at a temperature of 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. Chemical composition. Rough cocklebur contains 30% fat, 1.3% glucoside, 3.3% plastic and vitamin C. In addition, it also contains salt calcium atratyloside in salt form, which helps to lower blood sugar, xanthamine. The fruit has a very good antibacterial effect. Rough cocklebur whole body contains a lot of iodine. 1 g of rough cocklebur contains 220 mg of iodine, therefore, people often use rough cocklebur to treat goiter. Medicine from the rough cocklebur tree. Rough cocklebur, after collection and removal of impurities exposed to drying, then stored for use gradually, or can be ground into powder. Rough cocklebur are tablets. Making rough cocklebur powder. The whole rough cocklebur tree after washing is washed, chopped and dried. Then, put in the blender. Raw rough cocklebur should only be used 6-8 g. Drink with warm water daily. How to make tablets. Use the entire rough cocklebur tree, remove the roots, cut and wash. Then, put in cooking for 1 hour. Then, filter the first water. With the residue, add water and continue boiling for another hour. Next, filter the second water, remove the pulp and combine the first and second water together, then cook until 1/5. Last step, add a sufficient amount of flour, mix well and wash members. Take 3 times daily, 16 to 20 capsules each time, before meals. Uses. A type of medicinal material commonly used in herbal remedies in Eastern medicine. That's why the rough cocklebur tree can cure many diseases such as rough cocklebur works to treat goiter, allergies, toothache. Rough cocklebur works to treat sinusitis, runny nose, stuffy nose, and sneezing. Rough cocklebur is effective in curing rheumatism, bone and joint pain. Rough cocklebur works to stop smoking, effective weight loss. Rough cocklebur treats itchy urticaria, sores, pimples. Effects detoxification, antiseptic, canopy, except low. Rough cocklebur supports the treatment of limb pain, cramps, rheumatism. Treatment of toothache, sore throat. Rough cocklebur works for skin diseases like ringworm and ringworm. Helps to sweat, produce saliva, often used to treat malaria. Rough cocklebur plants treat kidney stones. In Oriental medicine, rough cocklebur has a sweet, moderate but slightly poisonous taste, in addition to the effects of curing sores, pimples, sore throat, goiter. Rough cocklebur cure goiter. Everyday use 30 g of rough cocklebur. Boil with 1 liter of water and drink all day. Rough cocklebur treats pimples. To treat pimples, use the whole tree to cook soft and high. Use 6-8 g daily with warm water to drink. Should drink continuously 1 month. Rough cocklebur treats urticaria. For this type of diving hives grow elsewhere, use rough cocklebur 10 g, marjoram 15 g, mint 15 g. All washed, boiled, filtered to get the porridge water. Rough cocklebur treats leprosy. Use rough cocklebur to squeeze out the juice and cook to dry to become 30 g members. Take a black fish, cut the belly and put in a rough cocklebur. Cook with wine to eat. Eat 3 to 5 children. When applying this remedy, should abstain from salt. Rough cocklebur treats urinary tract infections. Using rough cocklebur 35 g, heat with 1 liter of water until it is still 800 ml, divided into 3 drinks a day. Maintain continuously for 1 week to achieve good results. Cure kidney stones, urinary retention and edema with rough cocklebur. Use 35 g of drinking water daily. Treating clogged noses, aches and pains in the forehead and the rough nose of rough cocklebur tree also supports the treatment. How to use the rough cocklebur tree. If you do not use the powder or pellets, you can use rough cocklebur in the usual way. Take about 15-35 g of rough dry cocklebur daily, rinse with clean water. Then boiled with 800 ml of water and used as a daily drink. Objects of use: rough cocklebur. Patients with arthritis, rheumatism. Patients with goiter. Patients with kidney stones, urinary tract infections, edema. Patients with acne, itchy sores. People with toothache, throat. People with hair fungus, ringworm, skin diseases. Patients with headaches caused by damaged blood should not be used. Note: when using rough healing cocklebur, should not eat pork. My experience. I often use rough cocklebur to treat people with arthritis, kidney stones, uritis. Treatment results are cured. I have shared with you about the rough cocklebur tree. Is there any question you can ask below? Wish you always healthy, happy and successful. Do not forget to like me. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.